Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Cybrosys technology. So today we are going to discuss about a project in Odoo. So what do you mean by a project? So we know that it's actually a set of activities or tasks that can help us to achieve a different kind of goals or specific goals of an organization. Right. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how we can create a project in Odoo and customize. So let's move on to the video. So guys, we are going to create a new project and how we can customize our project using the project module. So starting by clicking on the project module here. So here you can see a dashboard of the project and it's filled with so many type of project Kanban views. So the Odoo is defaultly as the Kanban view. Here you can select the listed view also. So we are going to create a new one. Just click on the new. So you will get an empty form of the project. So here you can create a new project. So first of all, starting with the name of the project. Now you can see an example which is called Office Party here. So I'm also going to enter Office Party. And next thing is timesheet. If you want to track your employees' time, you can check the timesheet here. And next thing is billable. Invoice your time and material to customer. If this particular project is going to done for a customer, here you can invoice your time and material. Okay, so I'm going to check this billable. And while you check this, you can get another option which is called customer. And while you click on to the, here you can see some of the drop down menu which is included Deco Addict, Azure Interiors, Abigail Peterson. Like this is the customer information that pre-recorded on your Odoo database. So I'm going to select the Deco Addict from here. So we are going to create a project. So click on here. So here lastly we create a project and get the task of this project. Here you can see the dashboard, like you can add the task and everything. So I'm going back to the project. So while you enter to the dashboard of the project, using the search bar, you can search for your project or just scroll down. You can see here our project. Okay, so I'm going to search. I will show you how it actually works. Okay, Office. So here you can get the filtered options. So I'm going to customize our Kanban view of our project. Okay, so click on the setting. So you will get another form of a project. So here we are going to start from the name. Like here you can see our project name and the name of the task. If you want to give a name of your task, here you can give that name. Use it refers to the task of your project. Example like task, tickets, sprints, etc. So I'm going to remind this as task. And next one is Deco Addict, like the customer information here. And next one is tags. You can categorize your project using particular tags. Like I'm going to categorize this with a party. Like when you click here, you can get another drop down menu like architecture, bug, construction, design, experimental, external. So I'm going to add external and I'm going to add a party also. So if you want to create a new tag here, you can create. Okay. So this is it. And here you can add the company. So I'm not gonna do that. So it will visible for all the company members. And here you can assign a project manager. So while you're clicking here, you can get another drop down menu of the persons in your Odoo dashboard. So here you can select one of them. So I'm reminding this Michelle admin is like that. And here you can select a planned date for the office party. So I'm going to select 9th and from there to 10. Okay. And next one is allocated time for this office party. I'm going to select 8 hours. Okay. 8 hours of working time. And here you can add the description. So here you will get so many kind of hidden icons. So starting from the first one, here you can attach the media and upload the files. Here you can create the tables and bulleted list, now numbered list, and you can use the checklist. You can attach the link, and you can also create more options. So first one, type slash for the comments. So I'm going to give a comment which is called checklist. Okay, so here you can get the checklist. So I'm going to create a checklist like foods, drinks. Okay, so that's it. And this is how you can create a project and customize your project. And I'm going to save. While you back into your project, here you can see the Kanban view is changed, like there is how many information is additionally added. Okay, and using there is how many icons, like you can show activities, and here you can add the task. When you add the task, here you can see the task numbers, and here you can add like the progress, like on track, at risk, off track, on hold, done. So on track, I'm going to add the on track, and here you can star. Okay, like you can add to the favorite, and you can done all the things while you created a project using the project module, and you can add so many additional things when you are in the Kanban view of this particular project. Okay, so this is how you can create a project and customize your project. So that's it. So I hope you all understand this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.